Hello everyone, welcome to Young Innovators. We had seen how to build and work with a wired robot in our previous video. We had used switches and LAN cable for the robot to work. Today we shall see one more robot named Bug Robot which works just with switches. Bug Robot is a switch-based robot that follows the direction of the switch pressed and avoids the obstacle that comes in its way by the pump switches that is incorporated with the robot. This needs no programming for the model to work. Let's look at the construction and working of a bug robot now. These are the components needed: a chassis, switches, a motor driver, the circuit board with pull-up resistors incorporated, motors, wheels, and hardware. Pull-up resistors are those which will ensure us to know the value of each signal at all instant of time. They are most commonly used with switches and transistors. Now we shall start assembling the model. First we shall assemble the motor clamps to the motor and place them on the base plate. In the same way, we shall assemble two switches, motor driver and the pull-up resistor. The wiring of the robot is simple and it is as shown. This is how the robot works when connected to the power supply. It avoids the obstacle and turns as shown. Hope all of you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.